Hello everyone, I'm Bob Furlong, and this is Tech Quips number 36, the drop-down menu in Docs. During the 2021 school year, I decided to go paperless. Now, there were many things that I liked about being paperless, but one thing that I found was a little bit of a detriment was the fact that it took longer to grade. As I read each question, if they had it wrong, I wanted to give a little bit of feedback. So I needed to click on add a comment and then type in what my comment was for that particular answer. Well, recently, Google just added a drop-down menu for Docs. And so all I need to do now is when I read that question, I can go to Insert, Drop Down, go to New Drop Down, and for my first option, I'm just going to put in a series of dots. For my next option, I might say variable is present. And my third option, I might say -1, variable is not present. Now I only have 3 options for this, so I'm just going to get rid of that one. And I'm going to just label this my variable question. Save that. So this will appear on every student's Google Doc. When I go to click on that, I can read that and say, yeah, the variable is present, and they got the point. Or maybe it's not present, and I can say, oh, that's not there. Now I have another question about the dependent variable. I can go to Insert, Drop Down, and look, my variable is there. And I just have to click it again, and look what, it's there. Now there's other ways that you can use this. So for instance, here's a question where they had to make a graph. So I'm going to add a different type of drop down. And I might call this my graphing drop down. I'm going to save that. And here it is. So there's a couple things that I can do because there's 3 different things, but what if they don't do 2 of those? Well, I can actually put in the other drop down, insert my drop down, and I got my graphing. And if I'm looking for 3 different things, I could put that in 3 times if I want. Let's say maybe that you're doing some standards-based grading, right? And I can go to Insert, Drop Down, New Drop Down, put my 3 dots in there. And this time I can use words like, well, this question is at the mastery level, and this question is at the proficient level. I might have the emerging level, and I'm going to add a new option for the novice level. But here's one of the neat things that you can do with this is I can color code these as well. So I'm going to make my mastery a bright green and my proficient a light green. I will have my emerging a yellow, and maybe my novice is going to be a red. So now when I click on this, you see I have all my different colors. I can say, oh yeah, that was a really good question. That you're at the mastery level. There are literally endless ways of using this drop-down menu in Google Docs, and I think it's going to make my grading a lot faster and easier next year. Thanks for watching.